Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the Icon box for the month of February, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you. Everything in the Icon box is always full size. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glam Light Dirty Martini palette. I love the colors in here, such spring fun colors. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it's one of my favorites. It's the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. This one here is mine. I do have a brand new one for you in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one, as well as there's another giveaway for a lipstick down there as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I really want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. So the Icon box, they always pick like either a makeup artist, a celebrity, somebody who they consider an icon, who Ipsy does, and they kind of come up with, and they kind of curate this box for you guys. So we were able to pick some of them. Ipsy picked some of them for us, and it is the icon for the month of February is Gwen Stefani. So some of the products in here, I believe, are from her brand Give. And it's $60 a quarter, which is when they send out the Icon box. If you're signed up for the Plus membership, you will not get the Plus that month. You'll only get the Icon box. So if you see me looking down my notes or on my phone, what Ipsy says about this box, I do also have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. That's in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do, and their add-ons are really good, you guys. I picked up the extra Natasha Denona Retro Palette in their add-on sale. So, like I said, they're really good. This first one I am excited about. It is a Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation in 2 Neutral. Retails for $49. It is full size. And we found it a foundation that provides the medium coverage you crave while still looking like skin. Yes, please. That's what I want. I'd even take a light foundation that looks like skin. It's also packed with some serious skincare goodies like hyaluronic acid, hello hydration, rose complex to help brighten and smooth, and Bix Active to help reduce shine and blur the look of pores. I don't really have a lot of pores. So here's what she kind of looks like. Let's put a little bit of that on the hand. Kind of looks like that. It's a little light. I just got back last month from Mexico, and so I think it's a little bit light for me. Maybe when I don't have like as much of a tan in like the winter months normally, I think that'd be a good one. I am excited about this one. This one is from Dominique Cosmetics. I absolutely love their formula. It is the Essential Palette. Retails for $49, obviously full size. Get you an eyeshadow palette that can do both. So this one not only gets you ready for the day, but also can glam up for a night out with 10 shades ranging from deep shimmery mauve to matte and neutral tones. It has everything you're looking for to bring some color and definition to your eyes. Well, let's open her up. I'm excited about this one. I love how it says beauty inside and out. Looks like this. You guys, she's really, really pretty. This would be perfect like to take on vacation when you're just wanting like the easy go-to. We have to do some swatches here. Let's do, yeah, I'm a shimmer girl. Let's do these shimmers. Grateful. Pretty Kind. Cue Linda. Affirmation. And Confident. So those are what those look like. I do want to swatch that black because you can really tell if it's a good black or not. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at that black. Now let's give it a little swatch. So you can start off with it kind of lighter. Now let's see if we can build that. And yeah, you could definitely build it up as well. I'm loving this palette. Maybe I'll see if I can find another one in one of their add-on sales and we can do it like as a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway where I do my swatches and looks off of mine that I just swatched, and we'll give away a brand new one to one of you guys. That is if I can find one like at a reasonable price, because I'm Miss Broke Girl right now. I just looked at a couple of the other things in here. I do wish with Gwen Stefani being the icon box that there was more products from Give this month, because I only have the one. And it is an Original Me Clean High Performance Matte Lipstick in Lovable Me. It does retail for $26. Obviously, it is full size. Fading Feathering. This lipstick could never. The Intense Pigment formula glides on smoothly for a peachy brown color in just one swipe, and it features a gorgeous velvety matte finish. Packaging kind of looks like this. Complete, does not look like Gwen Stefani. Yeah. Inside's kind of this. So it looks like this, kind of similar to the shade that I'm wearing on my lips today. But I don't really do matte lips, so let's do this one in either today's giveaway or a future one. From KVD Mascara is the full-size sleeve long defined tubing mascara in ink black. So this does retail for $25. It is full size. This mascara is like a magic in a tube. It creates flake-proof, smudge-resistant sleeve around each lash to add length and definition, and also lasts a whopping 24 hours. But the best part, no more battling with stubborn makeup at midnight. It's a breeze to remove with warm water. And obviously a jet black mascara. From Ren Clean Skincare is a glycolic lactic radiance renewal mask. It does retail for $58. It is full size. It's loved by celebrities and beauty editors alike. This exfoliating mask uses a blend of glycolic, lactic, citric, and tartaric acid to help smooth skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, and dark spots. Hello, glow. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. This is a Laneige Retinol Firming Cream Treatment. Retails for $39. That's a really good price for what this is. So, new to retinol, this gentle yet effective treatment is perfect for beginners. It's powered by retinol and peptides to help visibly firm and smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. But don't worry, hyaluronic acid and madecasside, haven't heard that one before, are in the mix to help smooth and hydrate your skin too. I do my retinol every other night, so looking forward to putting that one in the rotation. From First Aid Beauty is a 10% vitamin C brightening serum. You guys, here's my advice on skincare. Number one, obviously cleanse your face. Use the vitamin C in the morning. Do a moisturizer, sunscreen. That's your morning. Your evening, cleanse your face. Do makeup remover first, cleanse your face. Do retinol. For me, I do it every other night. And then a really thick moisturizer for the evening. So this would be great for the morning. And make sure to keep these out of direct light, even if it's your overhead light, because it can change how your vitamin C reacts. So this is a full-size serum. Want to glow without all that drama? This 10% vitamin C serum is here to brighten and visibly firm your skin, minus all the irritations, clogged pores, or funky smells you usually get with vitamin C. It's packed with power of vitamin C, vitamin E, and squalene. This serum will help you achieve a radiant complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and keep your skin soft, hydrated, and protected. I need a new vitamin C. Thank you. Also from First Aid Beauty is an oil minimizing toner with salicylic acid. It does retail for $24. So this is full size, and say goodbye to the oily drama and hello to refresh skin. This alcohol-free toner features ingredients like salicylic acid, witch hazel, and papaya fruit extract to help fight excess oil, minimize the look of pores, and control shine. If you are doing a toner, make sure that it is that oil-free, because that'll help from drying out your face, and use it with the witch hazel, which this one does. So this one is a really good one. I just don't have problems with oil on my skin. My skin's more on the dry side. So this one will either go in a future giveaway or today. I thought this was a really good box. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. My favorite, hands down, is probably the Dominique Cosmetics palette. Like I said, what was yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. I got to spend some time with my son. And if I can get you guys all to keep your fingers crossed and whatever you want to do. So my son's he'll graduate from his undergraduate with his bachelor's in May. And he's trying to get into grad school right now. And he's waitlisted at 2 universities. And he still hasn't heard back from a 3rd one. So if you can keep your fingers crossed for him, that would be great. It would mean a lot. Anyway, secret word of the day is icon. Let's give away that lipstick. I'm just not a matte girl, and I'd much rather give it away to one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now, you only fill out the form once, but you can mark it if you did do the bonus items. And only mark if you did do them if you actually did, because they do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1 is if you follow me on Instagram. That's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your 2nd way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your 3rd way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. Your 4th way is if you share this with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. I just wanted to give back to you guys, and thank you so much for doing that. It really helps out the channel when you guys do. Make sure to tag me on those social media accounts. Absolutely love seeing those. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through March 15th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on March 20th, I'll come on here and I'll take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on those, and on the bonus entries, take first name, first initial, the last name, put it into the computer. The computer spins it all around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaways are over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just easier once I mail out the prize to the winner for me to actually get the mailing addresses off of those. So if you like this, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway.